Welcome to the Healthy Guide. If you've ever felt like losing weight is complicated, let me assure you, it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm here to show you that weight loss is simpler than you think when you have the right strategies. Together, we'll explore practical tips, life-changing habits, and science-backed methods to help you stay healthy, live longer, and finally achieve the results you've always dreamed of. And don't miss the bonus tips sprinkled throughout. They might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Misconceptions about weight loss. First off, let's clear the air and bust some common myths about weight loss. For example, did you know that diet and exercise alone account for only about 25% of weight loss success? Yes, you read that right. The truth is, your journey to a healthier life is influenced by much more than just gym hours or meal plans. Elements like quality sleep, mental consistency, and a positive mindset are equally, if not more important. Neglecting these areas can mean you're working harder, not smarter, and it may even hold you back from real progress. Additionally, fad diets and overhyped supplements often promise quick fixes, but deliver little in the long term. What truly works is understanding your body's needs and creating a holistic approach. When you focus on sustainable changes, you not only lose weight, but also build a lifestyle that's healthier and happier. The importance of inspiration. Next, let's dive into what drives you, your why. What motivates you to embark on this journey? Whether it's fitting into your favorite outfit, boosting your confidence, or ensuring you're there for your loved ones for years to come, your inspiration is your fuel. With a meaningful purpose guiding you, you'll find the determination to overcome obstacles and stay the course. To make your inspiration actionable, pair it with SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try, "I'll lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by walking 30 minutes daily and eating balanced meals." This clarity helps you stay focused and track your progress effectively. Creating a realistic plan. Here's where many people falter. They don't create a plan that aligns with their lifestyle. But you don't need a perfect plan. You need a realistic one. Small changes, like swapping sugary sodas for sparkling water or committing to a short 15-minute walk each day, can snowball into big results over time. More importantly, consistency is your secret weapon. When you choose habits that are easy to maintain, you build a foundation for long-term success. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Life happens, and flexibility can make all the difference. And remember, every small win adds up to significant progress. Preparing for success. Preparation is the cornerstone of any successful weight loss journey. Think of your environment as your silent partner. It can either set you up for success or tempt you to stray. Take control by stocking your pantry with nutrient-rich whole foods, prepping meals ahead of time, and keeping those tempting chips and cookies out of sight. Planning isn't just about food. It's also about creating time for healthy habits. For example, scheduling your workouts or setting reminders to drink water ensures that these actions become automatic. A little preparation can reduce decision fatigue, save you time, and make your healthy choices effortless. Avoiding temptations. We all face temptations. It's part of being human. But here's the trick. Don't rely on willpower alone. Instead, anticipate the situations that might challenge you and prepare in advance. For instance, if you know the office always has a tray of donuts, bring a healthy snack you love. If late-night snacking is your kryptonite, try a satisfying tea or light protein snack to curb cravings. By planning ahead, you create an environment where making the right choice feels natural. And when you inevitably encounter those tempting moments, it's easier to stay on track without guilt or regret. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making better decisions more often. Time for action. Before we continue, let me ask, are you finding these tips helpful so far? If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me bring you even more actionable strategies for staying healthy, losing weight, and living your best life. Have you tried any of these strategies? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. Also, don't forget to grab your free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget. Inside, you'll find a 7-day meal plan and budget-friendly recipes designed to transform your health without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description to download it now and start eating better today, building willpower and habits. Willpower might give you the initial push, but habits are what keep you moving forward. Start with 1 or 2 small, actionable routines, such as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning or dedicating Sunday afternoons to meal prep. Over time, these small actions become automatic, freeing up mental energy for other goals. Building habits is about consistency, not perfection. Even if you stumble, getting back on track quickly ensures progress. And as these habits stack up, they create a ripple effect, transforming not just your weight loss journey, but your entire lifestyle. Tracking progress accurately. Relying on the scale alone can be misleading. It fluctuates daily due to water weight, hormones, and other factors. Instead, use multiple tools to track your progress, like taking progress photos, measuring inches, and even keeping a journal of how you feel physically and emotionally. These methods provide a clearer picture of your journey and keep you motivated during those times when the scale doesn't budge. Plus, they help you identify trends, revealing what's working and where you might need to adjust. Understanding calories and deficits. At its core, weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. But don't let that overwhelm you. Instead of drastic cuts, aim for a modest, sustainable deficit that helps you shed fat while preserving muscle. Apps and calculators can simplify this process, but listening to your body is equally important. Combine this approach with nutrient-dense foods, and you'll find that losing weight becomes less about deprivation and more about making choices that feel good. Challenges with calorie counting. While calorie counting can be a helpful tool, it's not foolproof. Food labels can be inaccurate, and portion sizes are easy to misjudge. If counting isn't your style, focus on eating whole, minimally processed foods. These naturally satisfy your hunger and reduce the need for constant tracking. The goal is to create a sustainable system that works for you. Some people thrive with detailed tracking, while others prefer mindful eating. Both are valid paths to success. Focusing on macronutrients. Not all calories are created equal. Prioritize protein to keep you full, healthy fats for sustained energy, and complex carbs for steady blood sugar levels. Limiting refined carbs and sugars can also reduce cravings and energy crashes. When you balance your plate with these macronutrients, you nourish your body and make weight loss more sustainable. Plus, it's a simple way to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need to thrive. There you have it, 10 powerful strategies to simplify weight loss and make it not just achievable, but enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Which tip will you start with? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more practical advice on staying healthy and fit. And don't forget to download your free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget. It's packed with affordable recipes and a practical meal plan to help you transform your health without spending a fortune. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.